Hey guys, so today we're going to learn colors. So we're going to go through all the colors. This is the sign for colors. If you can wiggle your fingers in front of your mouth like this at the bottom, touching your chin with your fingers wiggling back and forth, that's the sign for colors. So we're going to go through all the colors, and then at the end of this, we're going to do a review practice and see how many colors you've learned. So the first color is red. We take our index finger or pointer finger and rub it on our chin, like right at your mouth and down. Red. Red. Kind of like you think of your lips. Some people's lips are very red. Red. Color is yellow. We've learned our alphabet, so this is the sign for Y, for yellow, and we're going to shake it. Like this, shake yellow, yellow. Green, going along with that theme with the alphabets. This is the sign for G in the alphabet, and we're gonna shake it. Green, green, can you shake it like this? Green, good job, awesome. Blue, this is the letter B in sign language for blue, and we shake it. Blue. Now remember, use your hand that you write with. Which hand do you write with? This is the hand that I write with. It's my right hand. And I go like this. The hand that you feel comfortable with the most, that you use the most. So it's blue. B for blue, and we shake it. Purple, the letter P in sign language is like this, like a K, upside down with that thumb in the middle, and we're going to shake it. Purple, purple. That is the sign for purple. Good job. The sign for black is we take our index finger again, and this time we go across our eyebrow. Black, black. The sign for black. So this time we're going to take all of our fingers, take it to our chest. Let me move up so you can actually see me. Take it to our chest and go like this. Pull in, pull out, and push in. White, white. Pull out and throw it back. White. This is the sign for white. Pink. Pink is like the letter P. Again, instead of shaking it like purple, we take it to our chin and pull down. Pink, pink, pink. Alright, so the final sign is brown, another B, and we take it to our face and we rub down. Brown, brown, brown. Good job. So review these signs again to see if you remember, because the next part we're going to test how good your memory is and how much you've learned of the sign language colors. Good job. that you guys will continue to learn American Sign Language. It's such a beautiful language. Myself, I am not deaf, but I have deaf family, and I grew up learning sign and signing, and I became a sign language educational interpreter, and I've been doing that for 20 years. So I also have courses that I teach on Outschool, OUTSCHOOL.com, and you can learn sign language from there. And my courses is Ms.Trina, and the link is in the bottom of the description, and I hope to see you.